Apple's having a little snacky. Did you find the bin of apple? Is that a good leaf? You gonna share with your girl? I think she's waiting to get some. What are you gonna do? What's the matter, Lacey? He's not sharing. You're such a stinker, Skeeter. You're such a stinker. Everybody wants to get in on the act here. This is pretty funny. Isn't it? It's pretty funny. Lace, do you want some? I just have to steal some from your boy here. Oh goodness, you're sitting on it all. Can we have any of it? You're holding it all down. There, you got a big one. Come here, Lacey. Come here, Lace. Yay, apple sticks and leaves. Fresh off the tree. Everybody having fun? Everybody's having fun. Hi. We loves you, Skeeta. We loves you guys. What do you want? An apple stick? You want two? Chewy, chewy? You're choking away from him? Yeah. Yeah, that's the right kind of face. Alright, I think it's 2 in the morning and probably time for bed. Finish your apples. Finish them up. Time for bed.